Hello, this is Daniel from KC Allied Health, and today we're talking about low-dye tape. Low-dye refers to a particular kind of supportive tape applied to the bottom of the foot, and it's used to support the joints and soft tissue in the bottom of the foot. It's particularly useful for conditions such as plantar fasciitis and other painful heel conditions. This is because it physically pushes up into the arch, and you'll know you've done it right when you take a step down, something feels like it's applying pressure to the bottom of your foot. The key elements of the taping includes the anchors. Then there's the linear pieces, which go from your heels up to the ball of your foot, and these are supposed to put just a little bit of pressure on and cover up the skin. And then there's the transverse pieces, which are going to pull from the outer side of the foot inwards, that is, in a medial direction. These pieces together should put pressure right on the bottom of your arch and create stability on the bottom of your foot. Ordinarily, low-dye taping will last for about a week, give or take. Depends on how dry you can keep it. But sometimes even the best of taping starts to come loose, and now we're going to cover how you can reinforce and adjust your own tape from home. Here you see the anchor, the starting point for low-dye taping. And if your tape starts to come off, it may look like this, or it may look like this. Then you want to reapply the anchor, which is just a U-shaped piece around the back of the heel and a single piece going across the forefoot. You may also consider putting a piece around the entirety of the forefoot if you're really struggling to keep it on. Be careful with this method though, because you don't want to compress your joints together. When you take a step down, you want to feel like the joints can spread out and be free rather than being squished in. And if they are being squished in, you want to loosen off that circular piece over the top of the foot. On occasion, the back of the heel can also get a little bit too tight. If this happens, the tape can be torn just a little bit right in the back of the heel, like this. This can either be done by hand tearing the tape, or by getting some scissors if you're brave enough, and slitting the little back there. After that, you spread out the tape to your desired length, and then you reapply the anchors, just like before. While low-dye taping is definitely useful, it's not an entire treatment plan in itself. For that, you're going to need a medical practitioner. Anybody at KC Allied Health would be more than happy to talk to you about foot-related issues. So, I'll leave you to practicing your own low-dye and taping skills, and I'll see you in the next video.